Hi families, we are here today to show you how to do your home practice sheet that is going to be coming home soon. So it looks like this. You will have these different sections here, and we're going to show you how to do each section. So you should also have a sheet that looks like this. All right, let me flip it for you so you can see it. This is your word mapping sheet, and we're going to show you just a couple of different things that you can use to map your words to practice. All right, so we're going to show you a couple of manipulatives that you can use because you always want this activity to be multi-sensory, which means not just reading, not just writing. So one of the things that you can use is a pop-it. So if we're going to practice the word cat, you could do k, a, t, like that, or you could do the word dish, d, I, sh, like that. Another way you could do it is with Play-Doh, like this. This is just Play-Doh rolled into balls. Asher, do you want to show how we would do the word cat? Perfect, just like that. And then when you're done, you would just roll them back up into balls to reset for the next one. Another way you could do it is with any sort of counter. These could be puff balls, these could be food like Cheerios or Cheez-Its or anything else that you like. So Asher's going to show you how we would map with any sort of counter. Asher, would you do the word dish, please?
So do I move?
Say the word dish. Yep, so you could move down like that, or you can push them up toward those stars. Can you try it? Dish. Oh, can you push up? Good, dish. How many sounds are in the word dish?
3.
3 sounds, good. All right, and then if your child is not interested in any of those things, really you can use anything that your child is interested in. So Asher really loves cars, right? So we always use cars to map our words. So let's put them down here in the garage, right? And so we're going to show you how we map a few words. I'm getting these words from right here, the new concept and sample words. You see our sound we're working on is sh, and my first word is shop, okay? And it says right here, first thing we're going to do is say it. Shop.
Shop.
Good. Now we're going to count the sounds. Go ahead.
Up.
Good. Asher, how many sounds are in the word shop?
3.
Good. Now, you can leave that up there. We're going to spell the sounds. Can you spell the sounds in shop? Good. Now, I know, Asher, you haven't been practicing this, but the sh sound is spelled with an S and a what? H. Yes, you got it. Sh, p. Good work. And then the next thing we're going to do is blend it. Can you blend those sounds?
Up.
Good. Blend it together. What do we get?
Shop.
Shop. Excellent. And then we write the word. Shop. Excellent. Make sure you put a tail on that P. Go all the way down. Perfect. Good. Shop. All right, families, the next part we're going to work on is this word work chain, okay? So for this part, your child is going to need just this part of their work mat, okay?
The whole part?
So just the writing part. So you're going to ask your child to write the first word. The first word is shin. Asher, can you write the word shin? Great. And now parents, you'll notice it says make the word shin. And then you're going to tell your child, change the N to a P.
Ship.
Ooh, did you notice that Asher already did this? It says he's doing the reading. What word is this?
Ship.
Ship. Excellent job, Asher. Ship. Ooh, now, oh, you're going to want to leave that. Can you write ship again?
This one be easy. Oh.
Okay, Asher, I want you to change one letter, and I want you to change ship to shop. Good work. What word did you make?
Shop.
Shop. Don't erase yet. Okay. Now this time, I want you to change the P to a T. Good. What word did you make?
Shoot.
Close. What sound is that vowel?
Shot.
Shot. Good work. Shot. Excellent. Now, let's try one more. This one's not on here, but can you change the sh to a p? What word did you
Pot.
make? Pot. Excellent. Nice work. And you can see that this word work chain incorporates spelling and reading. It's fantastic. These last parts, I would simply have my student read each of those sentences. And then you could go over and have your child do the mapping, the same mapping that we did up here for these heart words. And that's it. It's a simple and fun activity for your child.